Now let's start the installation instruction. First, let's unbox the package and lay out all the components. You should have the following items: 2 aluminum crossbars, 4 mounting brackets, rubber pads, and the necessary hardware including bolts, washers, and Allen wrench. Next, attach the mounting brackets to the crossbars. Slide the brackets onto the crossbars, making sure the curved side faces upward. Position the brackets according to the recommended spacing for your Tesla model. Secure the brackets in place by tightening the bolts with the provided Allen wrench. Now, install the rubber pads onto the mounting brackets. These pads will protect your Tesla's roof from scratches and ensure a snug fit. Align the pads with the brackets and press firmly to attach. Carefully position the roof rack on your Tesla's roof. Align the mounting brackets with the designated mounting points on your vehicle. Make sure the crossbars are evenly spaced and parallel to each other. Insert the provided bolts and washers through the mounting brackets and into the mounting points on your Tesla. Tighten the bolts using the Allen wrench until the roof rack is securely fastened. Double check that everything is properly aligned and tightened.
So, there you have it, guys. The Tesla roof rack is an amazing accessory that'll help you get the most out of your car. It's easy to install, super functional, and perfect for all you adventure lovers out there.